Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this is daily back cracking number 3. Let's see if we can get any cracks. Here, I'm gonna go mute my TV. Yeah, I muted my TV. Let's hear. Got one. Here, I'm gonna get a little closer. Wait. Oh, that was a nice one. See you guys in the next video.